Hey guys, so do I look a little different to you guys? No? Nothing? If you guessed my lashes, you're right. No, I'm just kidding. So I dyed my hair, got it pink in the ends. It's a little messed up, but I'm gonna get it fixed. I just decided to do something with my hair. Pink is my favorite color, so why not, you know? This is gonna be a collective haul. I haven't done a video in a while, so when I got my hair done, the lady gave me these two things. It's a leave-in conditioner. It's pretty good. Like, my hair is actually not that damaged. It's pretty shiny still. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah. And before that, I went to TJ Maxx and I got a bunch of stuff. TJ Maxx has like a whole bunch of like things for cheaper, so I had to get on that, so yeah. I got my Witch Hazel to use as a facial toner, and this has like lilac in it. I don't know, but yeah, it's pretty good, but it's really drying, so I have to get new lotion. For shampoo, I got this Pureology Smooth Perfection shampoo for color treated hair, and it smells really good. It smells kind of like roses. And I got this shampoo, and then I got this conditioner, which is bigger, but I'm gonna get the shampoo later on. But yeah, look how pretty it matches my hair. Then I got this Chi Iron Guard, just for those few times when I straighten or curl my hair. And then I got my Batiste dry shampoo, and this is the coconut one, and it smells pretty good. And then I ended up going to Safeway later, and I got this Aussie 3-minute Miracle Moist thingy deep conditioner, and my friend's mom got me this, so thank you. Now on to the clothes. Okay, so I lied. I went to Value Village and I got this super cute comforter because I'm redoing my room, and this looks so pretty, so yeah. And then I got these leggings from the brand Pink from Value Village, so I'm like, yes please. Oh, it also kind of matches with my shirt. And then for Tolo, the theme is Netflix stuff, and me and my friends are gonna do Phineas and Ferb, and I'm gonna be Vanessa, the queen. So I got these boots to wear with the costume. They're huge, but like they're cute. They also look really big compared to my face, but yeah, I got these. And then PacSun was having a buy one get two free with the sales, so my sister got a sweater and then she let me get 2 things for free, so thank you, Marina. But I got this really cute blue marble crop top sweater. That was a lot. But yeah, it looks super pretty, and I feel like a cotton candy when I wear this with my hair. And then I got this really cute crop top. Okay, you guys already know I'm obsessed with crop tops, but yeah. It's like a yellow and white striped shirt, and it has that cute like little frilly stuff at the bottom. Here and then here, and it's off the shoulders. It doesn't look like that here, but like, see? Then today I went to Forever 21 and I got these really cute red hoops. I don't know, I felt like they would look good with my hair now, you know? And then lastly, I got this, you guessed it, crop top. And it looks like this, and it has that little frilly stuff again, except this is white and then it has black frillies. But yeah, that was it for this haul. Sorry if I'm like weird, my head kind of hurts. I'm also kind of tired, but you know. We're still here, and I'm sorry I haven't made a video in a while. Yeah, I also have pink hair, and it's pretty jacked. I don't know, I'm not gonna do like a whole like dramatic story because it wasn't that dramatic. It just didn't end up like the best, you know what I mean? But like, I still like it, and the lady's gonna fix it, hopefully. I really like the color. I just hoped that it would have turned out a little better, but yeah. Bye guys.